Hi everyone. Romans chapter 8 verse 29, Paul says, "For whom he foreknew, he also predestined to be conformed to the image of his Son, that he might be the firstborn among many brethren." I was reading recently of a famous sculptor that before he would embark on his new creation, he would have this huge block of marble in front of him, and he would spend days and months and sometimes even years looking at the stone, waiting to see what was inside. And then he would take the hammer and the chisel and he would chip away and free what was inside. That's the process of conformation that God has put you and I in. He knows where we're going. What does he say? We are to be conformed to the image of his Son Jesus. So that's the direction, to be like him in every way. So the life we're living means that there's a lot that needs to take place. You know, transformation, we know that the caterpillar gives rise to the cocoon, and then there's the moth, and then there's the egg, and then you're back to the caterpillar. It's a complete process. That's transformation. But when we're conformed, it's a different word. It comes from the Greek symorphosis, which means to be changed in the same image at the same time. In other words, we're walking like on a railway track, parallel with the plan and the purpose of God. We're not alone. We're not some isolated person, some isolated family, whatever. No, we're all together, being conformed, being prepared to become like Jesus. It's a process, and we need to see that. If I see the process, I'm not going to focus on the problems. Every situation is an opportunity. It's not an obstacle. That's the attitude of my heart. They are stepping stones. They're not stumbling blocks. I need to see, you need to see the call of God in your life, and to understand that all things work together according to his good. Why? Because you are being conformed into the image of Christ. That's why Paul says in 2 Corinthians chapter 4, we do not lose heart. We're not becoming discouraged. Even though the outward man is perishing, he says the inward man is being renewed day by day. Why? Because our light affliction is working but for a moment. The situation is but for a moment, working in us, bringing us to maturity and perfection in Christ. That is the plan, the purpose of God for every one of us. God is at work, and he knows just what to do, when to do it. He is faithful. God bless you.